Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto Z, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there's one thing that we'll need, which is a SIM eject tool. The device comes provided with this, so you can find it somewhere in the box. But if you can't, you can always use a paper clip, and this will also work just as well. So from here you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top of the device right here. So once you press it in, you can see that the tray pops out, and you can take out the entire tray, as you can see. And on the other side of it, you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. So if you want to place two different SIM cards, one would go like so instead of the SD tray. And if you're planning to use just one SIM card, you can flip it over like so and it will go this way. And then instead of SIM here, you can place the SD card like so. So make sure that they're laying flush on there, as you can see these are. And then while holding them securely, because well, otherwise they would fall out, you want to slide it back into the device. And first thing we should see now is a pin for the SIM card. Once it reads it, there we go. So let's just put that in, and you can see that the SIM card is working, and also the SD card is being read right here as well. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.